Ellie got some new sunglasses. They're quite tricky. Very smooth. Yeah, I see. Tell me about it. There's Megan back there. Hi, Megan. Yes, Ellie's waving tutu at the top of her seat. And here's Shannon. She's playing a Game Boy. Yes, we've succumbed. They were all computer heads. Not Ellie yet. Not yet, but soon. You know, in the end, they were all computer heads. Even Megan. She's a big adventure game player back there. Uh-oh, I have to look. Backing out. There's the bed. Hi. Who's on your sunglasses? Sleeping Beauty? Ooh, that looks uncomfortable. Enjoy some help? Want me to put them on? Ah.